Alright, welcome back to the Ultimate Video Editing Digital Forum. My name is Prince Daniel and I'm so glad you are here again today. If you are just joining us and you want to learn more about video editing, go to our previous episode and watch it out. So today I'll be showing you how to lip sync, to do automatic lip syncing in Premiere Pro. Yeah, you do lip sync, and I'll also show you how to do it in mobile editing app. Let me say if you're editing with your smartphone, I will also show you how to do that. So please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. So today let's edit the rights. Yeah, we'll be editing music video. So I've imported my file already into Premiere Pro, and first thing to do is to take my file from the project folder to the timeline. So this is where I store my file. If you want to view your file like this, I will show you the key that you just press. It will view everything open like the white. So what I have to do now is I have all these clips, but not all of them that will be going. I'll be selecting from here to down. So I have how many files that we are going to use to edit the music video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 file, I'm going to put them and sync it once. So first of all, let me drag the first one that I'm going to use. The first one should be this. Yeah. So you can see the first file on my project monitor, source monitor. So it's my source monitor. You see this clip does not match the sequence settings. Change sequence to match the clip settings. So I will just click on change sequence settings. It will automatically match. You can see it. So I will now bring another one. Yeah. But before doing this, there's something that we need to do. We need to first of all put the main audio file that we're going to be using, because this file from the video we shot, we can't use it to edit the music video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the file. You see, I've given a space where I'll put the audio, the main audio file. So the main audio file should be at the top. Yeah, that's how I edit my own. So the main audio file should be at the top. So now I can now be putting my files. Alright. So I will load all of them on top like this. Yeah, load all of them on top of each other. Alright. I load all of them on top of each other. Sorry. So see how I load all of them on top of each other. So what I'm going to do now is to sync it so that I will start cutting. Yeah, I'm going to sync it to the main audio so that when the music is singing, the audio and the music will be matching with the mouth. So what I will do now is Control A. You see, it will select everything. So I will right click. So when I right click, you will see this synchronize. So I'll click on it. Then make sure you click on this audio. Track channel is on track 1. Yeah, track channel is 1 because the audio file is at the track 1. And before doing this, make sure that this thing is selected. This V1 and A1, make sure it's selected. So let's go and sync it. Is it? Then we'll press OK. So everything will process now and it will be synced. So wait. So you see it, everything has been synced, and each of the place that the audio started has been placed accordingly. You see it. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and delete the audios down. So by doing that, I will press Ctrl A again, then I will press Ctrl L. So you see I separated the video from the audio. So all I'll do is to go ahead and delete the audios down. That is the audio from the video while I was shooting, because there is noise inside. You can't use it for the edit. So I'll now select it accordingly, then press backspace on my laptop or my window. So you see it has been deleted and format. So what I will do now is to start cutting the video. So that is it. Then I'll select this, and so I have how many files? 1, 2, 3, 4 video files. Yeah, I think it's okay for a start. So
Give me chicken. Give me.
see how my animation have synced. So all I'll do now is to start the cutting. I won't be doing the cutting because if I start doing the trimming and splitting now, it will take a lot of time on this video. So on next video, I'll be doing the cutting and everything. So alright, that's all for today, and if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. And see you in next episode. Thank you.